Hi lovely people, in today's video we shall be making one of the most delicious meals in Ghana called Tubani right here from my village. Let's get started. Our main ingredients for this food is black eye beans powder. We simply take the beans to the grinding mill and then we grind it to get this. I shall also be making use of saltpeter. In place of this, you can use baking soda. I will soak this inside water and use it later. And I'll be using these leaves to wrap the Tubani. I got these leaves from this tree. So in this village, you can see many of these trees everywhere. They are very common. So I simply went and I plucked some of the leaves and I'm going to use it to make the Tubani. It is very healthy and it also gives the Tubani a nice flavor. Please, I don't know the name of the leaves, so if you know the name, kindly leave it in the comment section. So the first thing we need to do is to wash our leaves. I've already washed it once and I'm washing it the second time with salt to make sure that it is very clean for us to use. I've finished washing the leaves. I'll now go ahead and prepare our pot. I'll be using some millet stalks and grasses to line inside the pot. This is to ensure that the Tubani does not burn. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, kindly go ahead and click the like button. I'm now adding some water into the pot. This water will steam the Tubani until it is well cooked. I'll be adding water to the beans flour to prepare our batter for the Tubani. So that is what I am doing right now. This is our soaked saltpeter. I'll pour some into the batter and mix everything together, and our batter is ready for us to wrap in the leaves. So I'll take 2 of the leaves, place them like so, and then I'll scoop some of the batter into the leaf and then I'll cover it and place it inside the pot. I'll be using some of the leaves to cover. Our fire is ready, so we place the pot on it, and then I'll go ahead and cover this again with a sack to help trap the steam, because it is the steam that is going to cook the Tubani. In here I have dry pepper and salt. I'll be grinding this together and we shall be using it to eat our Tubani. I also have some shea butter. I'll be using this shea butter to fry the onions until it is brown, and we shall be using it together with the salt and pepper to enjoy our Tubani. It's time to check on our Tubani. Tubani does not take long to cook. I think about 25 minutes and it's ready. So it's time to check on it, and as we can see, our Tubani is ready. Yeah. It's now time to fry our onions in the shea butter. So I've gone ahead and I've put the shea butter inside the saucepan. I will allow it to get hot and I'll go ahead and add the onions. I will allow the onions to fry until it is brown and our oil is ready for us to use. Our oil is ready, so it's now time for us to serve. This is how our Tubani looks like. It tastes so delicious. I'm sprinkling our powdered pepper and salt on it. And then I'll go ahead and top it up with our oil, and then our meal is ready for us to dive into. Please give this meal a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.